The Ravenna from Best Barns is a do-it-yourself kit designed for use as a large workshop or storage building. Available in either 16-foot by 28-foot or 16-foot by 32-foot sizes, the Ravenna can be customized to fit your needs. The included barn doors open for an 8-foot wide by 7-foot high entryway. Windows can be installed in any locations desired. Stairs can be installed in any of the 4 corners for flexible access to the second floor. The second floor features a clear-span 2x6 truss design, giving you plenty of extra room for additional storage or work area. Headroom at center is 7 feet 1 inch and 5 feet 9 inches at the truss knee. Best Barns recommends installing railings as appropriate for your needs. The Ravenna can be insulated and interior finished for better heating and cooling. The featured 20-foot-long dormer can be installed on either side of building. Thank you for your consideration of our Best Barns DIY storage and garage kits.